Is
this your sissy? Are you holding her? Yeah, are you holding her? Yeah, she yours? His sister. Is her Zoe? Aw, give her kisses. Give her a kiss on the head. Yes, you're so sweet. Yes. Oh, Max. One more? Just one more, okay? Okay, one more.
Oh, God. Zoe hungry, huh? Oh, honey, Zoe has to eat. Zoe needs to eat. You want to play with your shop?
Hey, Max. Wait. Max, look at me. Look at me, Max. Cheese. Ready? Max, look at me. Cheese. One more.
Cheese. Cheese.